Welcome to Pi News World, your #1 source for the latest updates, news and insights about Pi Network and the future of cryptocurrency. Here, we break down everything you need to know about Pi, from price updates, global adoption, to major developments that could shape the future of digital money. If you're a pioneer or just getting started, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and stay updated because the Pi revolution is just getting started. Let's dive in. The United States is preparing to officially launch Pi Network, the future global currency. What if I told you that the United States is preparing for something that could change the entire financial system forever? A silent revolution is happening, and it's called Pi Network. For years, people have been mining Pi on their phones, waiting, hoping, and believing that one day it would become something big. Today, that moment might be closer than ever. Rumors, signals, and growing adoption suggest that the United States could be preparing to officially recognize or integrate Pi Network into the broader crypto ecosystem. But what does that really mean? And could Pi become the next global currency? Let's break it down. So, Pi Network is not just another cryptocurrency. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires expensive mining equipment, Pi actually allows users to mine coins directly from their smartphones. It was created by a team of Stanford graduates, and the goal here is to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just tech experts or wealthy investors. Millions of users around the world have already joined the network, and honestly, every single day, that number just keeps on growing. The United States plays a major role in the global financial system. Any decision or move related to cryptocurrency from the US can impact the entire world. From Bitcoin ETFs to crypto regulations, the US has always been at the center of major financial innovation. Now, if the United States starts preparing for Pi Network adoption, it could signal something massive. It could mean legitimacy, it could mean regulation, and most importantly, it could mean global acceptance. There are several signs that something big might be coming: increasing discussions around digital currencies, growth of blockchain-based payments, rising interest in decentralized finance, DeFi, and, most importantly, the continued development of Pi Network's ecosystem. Some believe that Pi is quietly positioning itself to enter the global market at the right time. Not too early, not too late, but exactly when the world is ready. Imagine a world where sending money is instant, free, and accessible to everyone. That's the vision behind Pi Network. If adopted globally, Pi could reduce transaction fees, empower developing countries, create new digital economies, and challenge traditional banking systems. That's why some people believe Pi is not just a coin, but a movement. But let's be real for a moment. There is still no official confirmation from the United States about fully launching or adopting Pi Network. Crypto markets are unpredictable, and not every project succeeds. So while the potential is huge, there is also risk. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you're already mining Pi, you might be ahead of millions of people. If you're new, this might be the time to start learning about it. Because if Pi Network does become globally recognized, early adopters could benefit the most. The question is no longer, what is Pi Network? The real question is, are you ready for what's coming next? Because if the United States truly prepares to launch Pi into the global system, we might be witnessing the birth of the next world currency. Stay informed, stay ready, and don't get left behind.